Hey there, it's E Squared Photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Are you new to a photography business and you're really struggling with the whole contract, invoices, how do I make them, get them to clients, what should I do? Too much businessy stuff for you? Well, we're here to explain invoices and contracts to you today.
And make sure to stay all the way till the end because we have something just for you.
We promise by the end of this video today, you'll have a better handle on both invoices and contracts and how to get those out to your clients.
And for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications of future videos.
We're going to start off by telling you one piece of advice that's extremely important when it comes to anything business related with your photography business. So, open a separate checking and savings account where all of your business stuff goes through. Stop using your personal account and start using an actual business checking and savings account.
It's going to save you a lot of time come tax time. Another tip right off the back is make sure you are tracking all of your income you make in a spreadsheet. Track it all. Spreadsheet's a simple way to start out by doing it on there.
The more detailed you can be when it comes to this type of stuff, the better, and you'll be happier in the long run. And not only does that go for tracking your income, but also tracking your expenses. Also, make sure to look into if you should be charging sales tax for your state, because some states will require it and some states won't. So make sure you're aware of if that's something you need to be doing.
Okay, as far as contracts come, we're going to tell you kind of how we send them and stuff like that. We can't personally tell you what to include in your contract because it's different again for everybody based on their situation, and we are not lawyers. So our biggest suggestion to you is to talk to a lawyer to help develop one because that's going to put you in the best possible place.
Let's start talking about then how do we send our invoices and contracts. So we actually started by sending them in the mail with the contract. So our invoice and our contract would go out together in the mail. So that was printing paper and postage stamps. We now use something called Dubsado, which we're going to talk about in a second. We also use something called Shootproof, but that is just, and we don't use it for that purpose, but it does have the option to do that. And we'll again talk about how we use both Dubsado and Shootproof. You can use PayPal, Venmo for payments or for checks as well. And you could also email the contract too. So there's a variety of ways based on how you're starting out. You can pick the one that works best for you.
Comment below and let us know how you are sending contracts and how you're invoicing your clients right now. So we recommend getting a client management software as soon as you can afford to because it does so much and will save you so much time because there's so much stuff you can automate and send things out with ease. Okay, so we are going to talk about what Dubsado, what we use for client management software, what it does for us. We do send our contracts and invoices, but let's talk more about what it can do for you. So what does Dubsado do for us? Like we said, we send our contracts, we send our invoices, which look very nice and professional as we send them to our clients. We actually create questionnaires and forms that we send to our clients right on Dubsado, and those can be emailed right away. This is where we send any sort of emails we need, and we develop workflows so things are more automated for our clients. We track all of our business expenses in here, and it organizes it very nicely, and you can export it with a spreadsheet. It's super, super nice. And then we set the date and time, and it syncs with our Google Calendar for all of our sessions. So we set the date of the session, and it goes right to our Google Calendar, and we can look there for when the session is. There's so much that Dubsado can do for you.
So we also mentioned we use something called Shootproof. So Shootproof also allows you to send contracts and invoices, but we don't use it for that because we use Dubsado for that purpose, just because Dubsado can do so much more. However, we do use Shootproof for photo delivery and print orders. So that's where we house our galleries for our clients.
So we hope that was helpful for you and helped clear up how you kind of can do all of this sorts of things and some options for you. Now, like we said at the beginning, we have something just for you. If you are just starting out your photography business, we have a free checklist of things that we feel are the most important to do when you begin starting your photography business. So look in the description below to get your hands on that.
And if you like this video today, make sure to subscribe, share with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one. And we will see you next time.